everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carol and today we are filming at the Hotel Bristol here in Berlin. It's just by Glam. I finished 3 videos already this day and yeah, it's just been a very productive day. However, I wanted to film one more video and this time with my really good friend, Mel. Yay!
Ganda ng entrance.
Ang ganda, grabe.
Love it.
I love it. Naingit ako, I wanna do it too.
Talan din.
The joke. So my really good friend Mel is an amazing hair and makeup artist.
Thank you.
Not just saying that because we're friends, it's actually true. And he's been helping me shoot the whole day. He actually did this day makeup look on me, which I love. And since I have an event to go to later after we pack up here, I asked him if he could teach me some tips on how I can bring a day look into an evening event. You know, just change it from day to night. So Mel, take it away.
Yeah, and it's very easy, girl. First thing is you check your concealer because the masculine around our eyes is malambot siya, it's soft. Okay. That's why it's easy to be cakey. No, so you've been using that for the whole day, so I suggest we remove it and then put another one. Okay. But in the foundation, we don't need to remove it. It looks, but we just need to add something like more contour because it's evening. Oh yeah. And then we darken the eyes. Okay. We make the eyes popper.
Okay. Do we also need to darken the lips?
Yeah, and then we also do your lips darken. Depends on what you're going to wear tonight.
Okay, I'm wearing something white and black.
Okay.
Yeah.
Then let's start?
Yes! Okay, so we'll zoom you in, we'll bring you in a little closer so that you'll see it better.
Come in. Yeah, so like what I said, I have to remove the concealer using the makeup wipes remover.
Yeah, so this is his favorite from MAC, by the way. Really good makeup wipes.
Yeah, and it's expensive. That's why I only use half. I only use half. Okay, so look up. So I have to be careful that I'm just only removing the concealer area, not the entire foundation. So I don't need to repeat it. Kasi once you have a new concealer, it adds more freshness.
Kitang-kita na yung bakas ng puyat ko.
Yeah, I'm sorry, girl. You really have to do it. So I will correct your eyebrows.
Why? Is there something wrong with my eyebrows?
No, but it's,
So does it have to be darker?
It does not need to be darker, but you know, like, I saw some spot that the brows is already missing.
Okay, nagfa-fade na siya.
Nagfa-fade na siya.
Okay. It just feels nice that someone else is doing this.
That's what my sister always told me.
I know. I mean, I love putting my own makeup on, but it's also fun when you have someone else doing it.
Sorry, kailangan itang i-turn.
Okay lang.
I don't know if it is okay in the camera.
Okay.
So next, I will
and it's also nice because I get to learn from Mel.
Yeah. So I have to define the shape of your eyebrows using the concealer.
Ooh, okay. This one I don't do it for my everyday makeup.
Yeah. But at night makeup, you want to be at dark. You want to have a darker color, a darker
more defined.
Something defined. That's why we define it all. Otherwise, hindi siya defined.
Tama, totoo naman. Yeah, true.
Okay,
hindi siya defined being true. I think this is also good for photos, no? Like when somebody takes your photos, mas defined yung...
Yeah, mas defined yung lines. Yes. Easy. So, and then I will do your eyes first.
Mel is also a really accomplished dancer. So he taught me how to dance tala recently. Ang galing niya. Ako wag na lang.
Okay, close your eyes.
So what color is this? What shade?
This is Mona Lisa color from Charlotte Tilbury.
Ooh.
It's a cream makeup. I use this because this is so easy to use.
Okay.
And I like the color.
Okay. So where are you gonna put that? All over the lid?
More on like at the outer lid.
Outer corners.
Outer
Okay.
core. I have to create illusion lid.
Yeah. But how hard it is pala for, because I know I have this rare thing with my eyes that I just don't have a double lid. I have like a double fold. So it looks like I have three folds ng eyelid.
Yeah,
So it's a little bit difficult.
Exactly.
No?
That's why I have to be careful on putting the eyeshadow.
Yeah.
That I don't go higher, that I don't go super low. I have to find the right spot where your eye, when you open your eyes, that the right lid is the one that I'm putting the...
So which lid should you put it on? Because I have three.
For example, like when you open your eyes, look on the mirror, open your eyes, look now.
Okay.
You see the upper part of the lid, because this one is not your crease yet.
Yeah.
But when you open it completely, then
so you can
then
see
you can see it that it's actually here.
Okay.
Here.
So just right above the highest fold. Okay.
That's why you look at the eyes now. It's more
open. I don't look as sleepy because I have this
Exactly.
tendency to look sleepy, but I'm also sleepy all the time. So it's
because
it's
you're
really
not
hard to
sleeping. You're a workaholic.
I know. But yeah. So now this side looks more awake.
That's very important. Close your eyes.
So that's a blending brush.
Yeah, I use a clean brush and then try to blend the line or the harsh line so that it will be blended really well. That's how you do it, so that you can blend it properly. Okay. I will blend it again.
I just blend. Walang katapusang blend.
Walang katapusang blend. Ice is very important.
True. Grabe, I had this really bad experience before. When I was graduating from university, I was basically late for graduation. We were running late, my mom, my grandma, and I had to do my makeup in the car. And I was able to blend one side of one eye, just one eye. So it was blended, it looked really good, but my other eye was not blended at all. And I used gray eyeshadow, so it looked like a bruise. And it was awful. So all my photos during my graduation,
you can use it.
Yeah. I mean, I could, like, I select the ones that are showing just one side. So that was really bad. So always remember to blend. Grabe. That was
Blend
horrible.
is the secret.
Yes.
Now, because it's night, I put some bling bling, shining, shimmering, splendid. Close your eyes. And I'm only going to put it in the center. And then now, since you already have an eyeliner, I will add another one because I kind of cover it when I put the.
Since it's silicone, it will fill the gaps. So, syempre, there are fine lines under the
eye. And then, it's better to wait until it's dry. Put some concealer again.
Under the eyes.
Under the eyes, because I remove it.
you know, a lot of people say that they can't live without mascara or eyeliner, but for me, bronzer.
I can't live without bronzer.
No, because I'm so pale, and you know, my face will have tendency to look flat. So I feel like I need bronzer all the time. I just need a little bit of color on my face. So you're using Zoeva for blush as well?
Yeah.
That's a German brand, no?
Yeah. Using the brush that I use for contouring, I will blend it so that it's not super pinky. I don't want it to be super pinky.
Very lotty.
Yeah. I'll blend it the same brush. My favorite highlighter is the Soft and Gentle from MAC.
Soft and gentle.
Yeah.
Okay. I have.
And you just put it at the top of your cheekbone.
Okay.
Spreading a little bit in the...
Grabe, I look so chiseled.
In the patakan ng luha.
Tear ducts.
Tear ducts. Alright, close your eyes. This one. Yeah, and then you're ready to go to the party.
Thank you so much. Of course, I'll remove this now. Pwede na ako magtala.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Mel.
You're welcome.
We had so much fun shooting here at the Bristol, and that was a very productive day for us. So, yeah, we're
Have a
gonna
nice
do
day,
this
everyone.
again soon.
Yeah.
We'll do this again soon. I'll have to bring Mel back.